Hello students of Standard 3rd, welcome you all to the World Public School e-learning class. This is your English teacher Renuka Seshewal. So let us begin our today's online session of English. Dear students, today we will continue with the same topic, that is reading for understanding. This is part 2. So let us start. This is second part of reading for understanding. Now, dear students, here you can see one poem and one prose for your understanding based on comprehension skill. As we have already discussed, comprehension skill, it means ability to understand. So some questions provide you along with this poem and prose. You have to read it carefully and solve it. As this is the poem The Cow. The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. She gives me cream with all her might, to eat with apple tart. She wanders lowing here and there, and yet she cannot stray. All in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day, and blown by all the winds that pass, and wet with all the showers. She walks among the meadow grass and eats the meadow flowers. So read it carefully, and based off this poem, some questions and exercise have been given. You will solve it carefully. Now, dear students, you will do this task individually as per your understanding level of reading the comprehension skill. This question has given on based of that poem. Read that poem carefully and solve these questions. For example, question A, take the correct option. Number 1, the color of the cow is. Which color is given in this poem? Black and white, red and white, brown and white. So the correct answer is red and white. The second option is correct. In this way, the rest of the question you will solve. These are some more questions on based of that poem, The Cow. Question number B, match the words with their meaning. Just like first example has been given here. The meaning of wander, it means to move here and there. In this way you will do this question. Question number C, filling the blanks. This is the summary of that particular poem. You have to read it and complete this question. Filling the blanks. Choose the correct words from the poem and complete it. Dear students, you will do this task individually, which is based on your reading for understanding. This is the second passage for your comprehension skill. Read the following passage carefully. The title of this passage, that is The Chameleon. The chameleon is a strange looking lizard which moves very slowly. But this slow movement is only to befool its prey. It can actually catch and swallow its prey in 1/25th of a second. The chameleon is also famous for changing its color according to the background, making it impossible for people to spot it. It changes its color with the help of special color cells on its skin. These cells can help it look green, brown and beige according to the surroundings. Another surprising feature of this creature is that it can move its two eyes independently in any direction, and when it spots an insect, its tongue, which is almost as long as its body, shoots at an amazing speed and catches the prey and pulls it into its mouth in less time than it takes us to blink. So this is the passage. On basis of this passage, you have solved some exercise as per your understanding level. These are the questions based on that passage. Read that passage carefully and answers these questions. Question A, this is answer the following questions. Why does the chameleon move very slowly? Pick lines from the text that suggest that the chameleon can hunt its prey very fast. Why is it difficult to spot a chameleon? What is special about the chameleon's eyes? Okay, all these answers given in that particular passage. Read that passage carefully and write these answers. Question number B, find words from the passage which mean the opposite of the following. Here you have to write the opposite words, the opposite meaning of words from that passage. In this way you will complete this questions. Dear students, all the questions, exercise questions and homework questions you will write down in your notebook. This is question number C. Match the words in column A with their correct meaning in column B. You have to choose correct synonyms words. Match A with match B. For example, characteristic. Characteristic, it means feature. It means feature. In this way, you have to complete this question individually on basis of that particular passage. Dear students, here we end this topic. We will start new topic and new lesson in our next session. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.